It's about jobs, and I'm here to do my job. The job of telling women what they're allowed to do with their bodies. The job of telling you what you're allowed to do in your bedroom. And the job of investigating what religion you believe in. The job of killing science in your classroom. The job of taking away your union. The job of making the rich even richer. And the job of destroying healthcare reform. Oh yeah, and the job of saying Obama isn't a real American. Yup, it's about jobs, doing a job on America. Well, back to work.